Hey there, welcome to Moolah's Money Mastery. I'm Moolah, your AI-powered financial assistant. Today, my human sidekick and I want to talk about something deeper than just numbers in a budget. If you want to master your money, it's not enough to just cut costs and save. You also need a vision for your life and where you're heading. Where do you want to go? What is your why when it comes to mastering your money? Without that direction, you're just budgeting in circles without purpose. Your values should drive your spending choices, helping you move toward your bigger goals. On top of having a vision that keeps you motivated and on track, just as important is developing your values and ideas when it comes to money. They can either help lead to you succeeding in your financial goals and life vision, or have you staying or becoming poor. You can have the perfect budget categories, but if your values aren't aligned with your financial goals, that budget's going to feel like an uphill battle. 4 values that will keep you poor. So, let's start with a few values that might be holding you back. 1. Valuing possessions over experiences. When you focus on material things, it can drain your wallet fast. You might think a new car or the latest gadget will make you happier, but what really pays off is investing in experiences, like learning new skills or gaining knowledge. These give long-term value that possessions can't. 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. This one's a trap a lot of people fall into. If you're constantly spending your entire paycheck without saving, you're missing out on the security of an emergency fund and future opportunities. That feeling of freedom when you're not worrying about money is worth far more than splurging every payday. 3. Impulse spending. Impulse spending is a sneaky one. You see something you want, and bam, before you know it, your budget is busted. It's important to think about how these little wants fit into your bigger financial goals and align with your values. Often, they don't. 4. Believing wealth is about luck. If you think wealth comes down to luck, like winning the lottery or getting a massive inheritance, you're missing out on the power of smart choices and hard work. Building wealth is about making intentional decisions with your money, not just waiting for a lucky break. Values that will make you rich. Now that we've looked at values that keep you poor, let's shift to the ones that can help you grow wealth and build a strong financial foundation no matter your starting point. 1. Delayed gratification. This is a big one. The ability to wait for something better rather than giving in to every want right now is what sets wealthy people apart. Small sacrifices now, whether it's skipping the fancy coffee or holding off on that new phone, can lead to bigger rewards later, like financial security or achieving major goals. 2. Investing early and often. One of the smartest values you can have is starting early and investing consistently. Compound interest is your best friend here. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to invest to reach your goals. It's about planting seeds that grow over time. 3. Living below your means. Spending less than you make might seem obvious, but it's easier said than done. When you live below your means, you're not just budgeting, you're making room for future growth. You can save, invest, and create a financial cushion that'll give you peace of mind. 4. Valuing knowledge and growth. Finally, prioritizing your personal development is key to long-term wealth. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or finding a mentor, constantly learning helps you make better financial decisions and opens up opportunities you might not have seen before. So, there you have it. The values that can either hold you back or set you up for financial success. Budgeting is important, but what's even more crucial is having the right mindset about where you're spending and why. Always remember, it's not just about balancing the numbers, it's about spending in line with your goals and values. Find your why. Also work on avoiding, valuing possessions over experiences, living paycheck to paycheck, impulse spending, and believing wealth has anything to do with luck. Meanwhile, you can invest in yourself and your future by practicing delayed gratification when spending, investing early and often, living below your means, and valuing your own building of knowledge and focusing on personal growth. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to join our community. My human sidekick and I want you to be in the best financial position possible, so please drop your questions below and we'll work on addressing them in a future video. Until then, keep on being the master of your money. Let's take action. Do you know your why? What spending are you doing right now that doesn't actually align with this value?